The electoral brigandage and vote rigging is the most dangerous thing that can happen in democracy. Because the voters, the people who vote, are voting on the basis of their prayers. They are voting on the basis of their frustrations. They are voting on the basis of their expectations. There's so much that vote embodies. It's sacred. A vote should be sacred. And anything that we can do to protect the sanctity of votes, we should do it. Votes embody my frustration with the present order. I want to change it. My expectation with the incoming order, I want to support it. My vote of approval for this person against that person, this is it. It's more than a physical act. It's more than a symbolic act. It has a spiritual dimension.
Sure.
Anything we can do in this country to protect the sanctity of votes, we should do it. If we don't do it, we are going to be going backwards. So we fought up to the Supreme Court. They gave their judgment. We made a statement that we accept it because it's the final court. But we don't agree with it. We said so. Then many people have not come to terms with it up to now. People in Enugu State, people don't even sleep well. People are in one form of ill health or the other. People are confused up to now. It's like as if something funereal has happened. I've not come to terms with it. I may never come to terms with it. But I have to come here. Because I started from here. I have to come to report that the support, the thing you gave me, I didn't play with it. I didn't play with it. I didn't trade with it. I didn't bargain with it. I knew that people entrusted something to me, and I must prove to the whole world that it was not my making. I came to report that I tried my best. I came to say thank you. I came to say that I'm here, send me. I'm available to continue the work of national redemption.
It's very clear that they robbed us of that election. It's very clear. It was done in collusion with INEC officials and the PDP government in Enugu State. The whole world is aware of it. Even before you mentioned about electoral reform, the National Working Committee have already decided last year that we are going to pursue electoral reform in Nigeria. And that what happened to us in 2023 general election, from the presidential election to governorship election and other elections in Nigeria, will never happen to us again. We believe that the starting point is to begin early enough with the pursuit of electoral reform. Because we saw all the antics that played out between the National Assembly and the presidency with past electoral reform. And as I speak with you, we're already constituting the committee that will give us the framework for that electoral reform. We have already expanded it. We've decided that it is not going to be limited to the party. We are going to open the scope to intelligentsias and all other stakeholders to be part of it. And we also have decided that Labour Party will not be a spectator. We will be the drivers of that process. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. For the party makes us victory. There is victory for us. Victory. There is victory for us. In the struggle for Nigeria. In the struggle for Nigeria. There is victory for us. Forward ever.
war, never.
In the struggle for Nigeria.
In the struggle for Nigeria, there is victory.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.